Welcome to Idrees Tech. Today, we compare ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot to find the best AI. The world of artificial intelligence is transforming faster than ever. Today, we pit three giants against each other: ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot. Who truly leads the AI revolution? This is Idrees Tech, your guide to tomorrow's technology. These AIs are reshaping the way we work, run businesses, and even manage everyday life. Imagine a digital world where entire networks of minds collaborate seamlessly, unlocking possibilities we could only dream of. That is the power unfolding before us. Let's begin with a simple question. Explain artificial intelligence in plain terms. ChatGPT responds with clarity and context, breaking complex ideas into digestible pieces. Gemini connects definitions to real-world examples using Google's rich data. Copilot ties AI concepts directly to productivity, highlighting practical applications in the Microsoft ecosystem. Each shows a unique approach, but which feels most helpful to you? Now, let's test content creation. Ask all three to write a YouTube script about fitness. Watch ChatGPT craft an engaging, motivational opening. Gemini delivers an informative, well-structured narrative, referencing credible sources. Copilot focuses on clarity and integration, offering actionable tips within a Microsoft-friendly format. Each platform's creativity shines, but the results suit different tastes and needs. Next, image understanding. Gemini and Copilot now scan and interpret uploaded photos. You get instant, detailed explanations. Gemini identifies objects with semantic depth. Copilot integrates visual cues smoothly into workflow suggestions. ChatGPT, meanwhile, is progressing toward richer visual comprehension, but isn't quite there yet. Time for productivity. Upload a business document and ask for a summary. Copilot rapidly condenses information with impressive accuracy, helping professionals save hours. Gemini summarizes with contextual insights from Google's knowledge graph. ChatGPT offers easy-to-follow breakdowns, adapting tone to your preference. Speed and clarity make all the difference in real-world tasks. How about speed and quality? Copilot responds quickest when working within Microsoft apps. Gemini is lightning fast for web searches and image analysis. ChatGPT provides thoughtful, nuanced answers, sometimes slower, but often deeper. Are you looking for velocity, accuracy, or creativity? Each AI excels differently. So, who's the winner? The truth: there isn't a single champion. Each has strengths. ChatGPT shines for content. Gemini leads for search and images. Copilot dominates productivity. The best choice depends on what you value most. Let's break it down. Use ChatGPT if you need creative content or detailed answers. Choose Gemini for web research and visual intelligence. Opt for Copilot to supercharge Microsoft work, reports, emails, presentations. Professionals streamline their workflow. Students boost productivity. Businesses innovate faster. Now you know which AI is best for your needs. Like, subscribe, and share this with anyone seeking clarity in the world of artificial intelligence. This is Idrees Tech, bringing the future to you.